Hello, everyone. Here is another video for you. Udemy is a goldmine for free courses. Here are 10 free Udemy courses to become highly skilled in 2024. 1. Introduction to Python Programming. This course covers all the important Python programming concepts. You'll quickly learn to program in Python. 2. Web Design for Developers. Master web design quickly with over 25 easy rules and guidelines. Includes great resources. 3. Python from beginner to intermediate in 30 min. With this free course, which offers plenty of clear lessons and tools, you will quickly discover the virtues of the Python programming language. 4. iPhone Apps iOS Development Course. Learn every step in iOS app development with the iOS app development tutorial, from creating to submitting to the App Store. 5. Excel dashboards in an hour. Learn how to create interactive Excel dashboards in 1 hour. No special add-ins or tools required, just Excel. 6. Android development for newbies. Learn everything you need to know to develop Android applications for fun and profit. 7. Certified Solutions Architect Associate Introduction. Here is the proven approach that will show you how to become an Certified Solutions Architect Associate in 30 days. 8. Cybersecurity Course for Beginners, Level 1. Learn the security fundamentals required for your everyday online presence. 9. Java Tutorial for Complete Beginners. Learn to program using the Java programming language. This course assumes no prior programming knowledge, just a desire to learn to program. 10. Learning Figma in 1 hour. This course covers Figma basics and some more advanced topics. You'll learn to move around in Figma and how the basic drawing functionalities work. If you found this video helpful and enjoy, please hit the like button and subscribe our channel for more. Thanks for watching.